Hey guys, Star here. I'm so excited to share this training with you. If you're a course creator or a coach and you offer premium content, or maybe you have moderators that you want to access specific trainings or courses only for those users, then this is for you. Let's suppose that you have new clients coming in and maybe you want them to go through an orientation training before they actually access any other content. You're able to do that with private channels. So let's go ahead and get started. Under memberships, we're going to go ahead and go over to your communities. So you'll see your communities and just go ahead and log into communities. Now, if you don't already have a channel that's private and you want to make that channel private, just go ahead and click on that channel, click the gear icon, and you can go ahead and click on settings and you can make that channel private. We'll hit confirm. So now what we want to do is we want to head on over to the learning tab. We're going to click on learning. I'm going to actually add the course that I only want people in that private channel to have access to. In this case, it's going to be new member orientation. And then you have course visibility. So you can give access to all members, level unlock, buy now, time unlock. We're going to select private channel. That means that only the members in that private channel can actually see that course. I'm going to go ahead and select the private channel that I want to assign it to. In this case, it's new members orientation. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the course. Now you'll see that I have this course here and it's private channel based only. So only the members within the new members orientation under the learning tab will be able to see the new member orientation course. So go ahead and start using the private channel based course access for premium user experience.